Hello, welcome to Wednesday Windup, and today, as you can see, we will be reviewing CS.GO. I quite like this game. I've been playing it for a while. I have never played it since the new update, so I am new to this game, as you will if you play it. So, let's go straight to play CS.GO. Dust 2 just for a simple match. So we are into the game. And I am going to go, well, there's really an equal count here, so straight in. Here we go. Killed my first guy. Nice one. As you say, I'm not very good at shooter games. As you can see, I'm already literally dead. But I do know that on CS.GO, you cannot just run. Oh, I killed him. How nice was that? 19 health. I think I'm lagging behind here. But anyway, this game runs pretty well on my computer, as I say. I would say it's pretty easy to use, considering that I have played it before. Right, so we are back in after dying. And that is my mate. Hello. So, let's have a look for the next person to kill. There's going to be one that pops out there. Yep. And I'm dead. Nice one. So, I can't really play this game very well. Ugh. Never walk out of random buildings. Anyway, let's get to the specs. So, as you can see on the diagram, you can see the GTX 750 Ti 2GB. That is my graphics card in my computer at the moment, and it's doing quite well up there. And as you can see at the top, the EVA GTX 960, that is a brilliant graphics card. So, let's talk about CS.GO's specs. So what you would possibly need in the shortest. So you must have the operating system of Windows 7, Vista XP or upwards, an Intel Core 2 Duo, E6600 or AMD Phenom X38750 processor or better, 2GB of RAM. Video card must be 256GB or more, and should be DirectX 9 compatible with support or Pixel Shader 3.0, version 9.0C of DirectX, and 15GB of available storage space on your computer, PC or laptop. Virtually the same. But if you don't understand any of that, if I went downstairs and told my mother that, she would go, "What in the world are you talking about?" So, in simple, you need a good computer. Preferably a Windows 10 computer that you can buy from Curry's PC World. Or better, or you could get a gaming computer, or you could customise your own. Or if you didn't understand that, then your brain's messed up. My grandma would understand that, and she doesn't even have a phone. She has a Nokia brick, so you could understand you'd have to be thick not to understand that. But let's get back to the point. CS.GO runs on my computer absolutely fine. You can buy this game from Steam, and the game costs approximately nothing. That is how much it costs. But, for instance, any of the others, like CS2D, that's completely free to play. The CS.GO player profiles, still completely free. Hey, I wonder where they're getting all this money from. Anything else? Well, I assume you would have to pay for it. So, thank you for watching Wednesday Wind Up today. I hope it was interesting. If it isn't, watch some more. If you don't want to watch some more, unsubscribe, dislike, and don't leave me a bad comment, because I will find you. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
And I'm feeling good.